Don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion. Me say, don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion. When you trouble Zion, you will get lightning and thunder. When you trouble Zion, you will get rain from your own house. Don't you trouble Zion. What me say? Don't you trouble Zion. So when you trouble Zion, you will get lightning and thunder. And when you trouble Zion, you will get a lot of rain and your whole house will come tumbling down. So don't you trouble Zion. Top of the week blessings to you, my family. One speak my mind, one nation stands alone. Top of the week blessings to you all. Wanna know what to do? Wanna know if you make me tell you what to do? Welcome to all my new subscribers on both of my channels. Continue to strive to be a part of the family. Just keep your finger active in the comment section so I can recognize you when I see your comment. If you be a secret watcher for 2 years, 1 year, 6 months, and you don't comment, I can't know you. You have to comment in the comment section on a regular basis. Keep your finger jiggy. You understand? But keep it jiggy in the right manner. And always be careful of how you write your comment. Alright, look on your comment. If you properly state your comment before you send off your comment, because we know typo error, and sometimes you don't state clear in the comment who you're speaking to, what you're referring to, and then I might take it offensive. And if I am not used to your name, you can be a real supporter of my channel, and I come at you. And this is also the grassroots supporters too. But it's just because, phone name, you might, phone name commenting all the while, so I might say it's a typo error, or I might wonder where you talk about, but now pick up, somebody just bypass it. But be careful of the comments, alright? But bless upon yourself and becomes a part of the family. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember, hit the thumbs up. Just as you hit the video, you hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Most time you watch a video and it's so sweet and you're done and you king 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 and you laugh and you drop off of your chair, you drop off of your bed, you dash with your coffee. And when video done, you forgot to hit the thumbs up. Remember, the thumbs up is what gives the video algorithm. If you people don't know what is the algorithm is that YouTube, the more thumbs up, YouTube share the video in a wider space for people outside of this diaspora of YouTube, get the access to can see the video. So the video share on a wider basic. Alright? Comment also help a lot. Because when somebody has trolled through and them see a video get too much likes and much comment, them want to know what is this all about. Chaka and them check it out. Boom. Them probably like what them see. Boom, them hit the subscription button. So there's a lot of things that can help the channel to grow. While the main thing is you sharing the videos and sharing the link of the channel to your friends and family. Alright? And remember, the cash app pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. You ask for it, you get it. Remember, the young entrepreneur, college student, Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube link in the comment section pin. Give her a subscription. And remember, Tamika Davis own in the comment community pin also. Just hit the title and you see the link and you hit it. Now cost you no $1. Anyway, people, so I start the video. Don't you trouble Zion. One whole heap of rain and lightning and thunder a fall upon the whole house. Lord, my dear child. Boy, I feel like a baby just born. Boy, I feel like a fish out of water. Who did remember 2022 or it's 2021. Time a fly so fast I don't even remember. But it's between 2021 and 2022. When the 29 lady, I think it was also into our baking season, yes man. 2021 or 2022. You can remember me in the comment section. When the 29 lady come out, when them did have her name a jog all over like dirty carpet. When them have in them house and them a take it out to go clean it. I saw them have the woman name a jog it. And the woman come out and tell them say she go to Nice City. And she's a regular member of Nice City. And when she go and pray, her prayers don't go in vain. And she have proved it to us many a times. She talk things. She tell us things. And it come out real. And she say in Nice City she go pray. Remember when this woman come out come tell us say everything about the set of people them from here, there, near and far. We are try bring her down. Everything will come out and fall in a phone. Oh, remember, put up one in the comment section. May I see you, yeah. You, where your eye about? Me see you, man. Yes, man, me see you. Put up your in the comment section if you know what me I talk about. I don't know, say everything I reveal for you. Everything come tumbling down, everything I crash every minute. A different somebody come out where they tell like camp and I reveal things and attack things. And that was the main camp where them gather under the tent to bring down the woman. I don't even know which one this. I don't know who this one here. But me just hear the video and me take on to the video and I listen it. And realize that say she's a ex-member of the Tell Lie camp. I don't know. My duty and my job is to show them up because we want to prove that the 29 lady going to Nice City is no fluke. It's real. All them are going to say she ungodly. All them are going to say she no Christian. All them are going to say she come out come say she name salt. Everyone of name salt. All the pastor name salt. You might frighten if you see when pastor do go for him wife. You might never ever even fix so yet for your boyfriend or man or your husband where you are no Christian. So everybody name salt. Everybody have them personal life. Everybody have all kind of life to live. No care whether you are Christian or you are worldly. So me no know go and like say if Dana say she a Christian, she fi praise God more than how who know and the pastor and the rest of church member praise God. She have her personal life to live to just like any one of us. So if she want crawl under the bed, if she want pull the fridge and put her head inside, if she want brace outside on the veranda column, if she want go upstairs and look over Mountain View, whenever time she name salt and body call, a fear business. Me sure no she no come borrow no tun. And no tun she come borrow. So if she a use her tun and want use it, leave her make she lose her tun. You understand? She might have used her tun and know what she a gain from her tun. No for no use no tun and have not gain not one red dime. Not even a dollar kind them with them and dash away they don't want a Jamaica. Only no gain. So you go around and watch the woman who eat salt, you go around and watch the woman money, you go around and watch the woman house, you go around and watch the woman all kind of different manner of evil things. People, stay tuned. I could start it right here. So if you can't tell me how this car, honestly, I don't know. But what me get from it is a member of the Tell Lie camp. Ex-member. Alright, because the whole of them is so wrong in life that the whole of them at some point they are going to become X. Because when me I go to school and teacher go so X, you know a wrong bang that, so you know you're wrong. You understand? And when she goes so shook like the Nike, a ticky that, you know you're right. You understand? So the whole of them, all them here will come out and talk now. They are hex, so them did wrong from morning, and them know so them did wrong from morning. So now a evening and a afternoon. Me no know them come and go and like say them never know say them did wrong from morning. And want tumble down the blame now pan the chairman when the whole of them are the same thing. Bench and batty, none of them not different. Alright. But we are going to listen to them because we like and time them carry down them one another. You understand? Because all of them did a try carry down the 2-9, but the 2-9 too heavy. Remember the 2-9 is just one shot of 100, you know how much is 100 ton?
Oh, Judas. Lord, are you me attack? Are you me comfort? You are Judas.
Eat one of me sweet, yeah?
And you are dirty liar. You need to keep your church service. And you can't say you are say God and I say devil at the same time. That's wickedness. That's evil. And which me see a lot of evil inside of you.
And when you see that, I just know.
This morning you come out here and you throw what? Oh.
You was one of them that is inside of her. The same word where you use. Identify yourself as one of that person. Because the whole of one where they right behind her. It's identical, the same thing. That word we want to call. Because when they didn't know, say nothing where I go on. It's have no facts. It's bear wolf. But it's still under the behind it and cheer it on. But now they come out and run a chat.
But God should burn fire upon them. And God for this and God for that. Lord, dirty Lord. And you gotta go burn fire upon. Because God start burn fire upon you already. Don't hold no voice note for me. Don't hold nothing for me. Nothing me don't want you hold for me. Don't hold nothing for me. Girl, can you Billy say you're a bully, yeah? And what you just do, you go on and voice record people. And then when you want them talk, where you need them to talk, and they say no, you want to try like say you have them in a little bubble. Bitch, you can't, me not live in a bubble with nobody. You're drunk, and Dana did pick up the money for the Planka Nation students. Me sit down around the table with my good honey bunny. That's what me call him. Yes, honey bunny. And me say, come here. Right? He said, sit down here so with me and me need you to add up this and add up that because me did I watch it live. And when you call me and ask me, say, how much if me see it while going, and me say, yes, me have me match it up. And you ask me, say, how much me get? And me say, well, me get 81,000 short. And you say, no, don't come out and say that. Don't come out and say that. Don't come out and say that you say. And me say, no, me can't do it. I cannot do it. A lot of time you tell me, say, if you come out, you can't tell lie. Right? And me say, no, me can't do it. Sometimes me say to you, say, all right, but me don't do it. Me don't do it because me straight like that.
No, you're not straight. You're not straight. You're coming like S. Not just one S. S. You're coming like one S corner down where you call the hill there, Melrose Hill. When you go up the hill and you go around one corner there, yes, you're not straight. If you did straight, with all of this what Laura try to tell you to do, you would have left the camp long time. You would not continue to be a part of the camp. And you did already go into the camp, no say the camp not straight. So from you go into the camp and no say the camp not straight, that simply means you're not straight neither. Because I be a lean people in the camp, be a tell lie people. The opposite of what you say the camp name, tell the truth or talk truth. You understand? So don't come tell nobody say you're straight. You're not straight, lady. Don't take away yourself from the eater now. Don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion.
And enough for your dirty minions, them over there can't talk about say, they think say me did a Christian. Let me remind you know. The Spirit of God must strive with mankind all the time. Right? So, me only human and me a flesh. Right? So that no mean say somebody juke me or somebody a provoke me.
Oh, so basically you are one Christian. Okay. So the Spirit of God not strive with mankind all the time, but it will strive with 99 all the time. So when 99 come out and say she name salt, and come publicly, come say she name salt, she never hide it. And she go upon her knee and beg Father God and tell him also say she name salt. Which him already know, because you know him sit high, look low, and see all of the demons in her phone. You understand? Only never think that way about 99, because she no flesh and blood too. She no human being just like you. She's a different set of human being from you. Okay.
Because you provoke me a lot. You provoke me a lot. You and Dr. Maxine, I family live over other platform, Dr. Maxine, I provoke me. So that's why me gear the blunt on my tongue. But me gonna keep it like a decent this evening cause me throat hurt me. But me say me have to come cause me can't make it pass. You understand? When you come talk about God, she burn them with fire. And your pussy God are gonna burn out with fire because you are coming to do.
Are this a woman that then say a Christian? No, sir. I mean, they play life so nice and say nice, clean and pretty. Me swear say I want Halle Berry me a play. You swear say the life clean and pretty. How would they so lady, you not really no Christian then, man. Because bad as thing be as you say, God no walk all along, but you should not come use them a word your lady. No, sir. I hold it more. Me have to go check for and cut out people because it look like it start at the beginning. This.
Stop. Because you do a lot of things behind the man back and you not, and the man not know. You are Maxine coming like the same thing, you know, make up story. You know, a storyteller. Me not have to lie. Right? First of all, me hear the dirty triple pussy Bob. Come on.
Jesus, peace, no people.
Fuck. You tell me say you and Baba fucker, you and Baba go missing how much time and Steve in a house asleep. Right? Steve, I'm so sorry to call his name. But I have to. Because he's a wicked girl to him. He's a wicked to him. You're wicked. Because you know saying drink a lot. You go buying whiskey. And you come in and you give him and he drink and tumble down and go and sleep. That if you sleep, you don't sleep with the man. You don't like him. You don't like him. You tell me so. You bitch, Lorraine, tell me so. Right? Because you said the man chat too much. I don't know when to talk or how to talk in front of, because enough time he come in and come blab him out on the internet. You have to mute.
Yes, that is true. But I know the man fault. The man in him place or the man place. And if the man need attention and the man Johnny want walker and she in a basement pan phone in a people business. And the man come and push door and go in and here right down a basement. See dirty plate in a kitchen. Johnny want walker. You know Johnny? Yeah, Johnny. Johnny need walker. Not Johnny walker, but Johnny need walker. You understand? And see dirty plate, him a go ball out. How you down there son dirty plate want wash? Hey baby, him a go ball out of the man place. So me believe that part of it true. If I even make she make it up, me believe it. Because there's a lot of time. She depend the live in a people business and Steve come and call her. Me hear she come out and she say, oh, my husband support me in what me do. Yes, your husband support you in what you do. But I trick your husband. My people, let me tell you now, she trick the husband now. You see the morning devotion sitting where she get up and do a morning time. You see at night time and during the day when the man come her dead and she do her life, why do you think she have to go in the basement? Because the man go and identify say it's not the same devotion business where she claim to say she do a morning time, she do a evening time. The man don't know some people business she up and into. The man does figure more or less at the same morning devotion she into. And that's why she come and talk, sometimes Steve asks me if me not gonna do my show. Go and go do your show, man. Go and go do your show. If Steve even say they go do the show because you trick Steve. I make the man figure more or less it is this morning Christian business. You keep up on the phone until you're up on the phone. Poor the man no know say in a he, she and everybody mix up. That the man name all a dragging and mix up all over. You understand? She trick the man. The man just feel like it's all about godly things. Devotions and worshipping. When the man no know so when she in the basement to hide a people business she in. The man no know that. So what she say right there, so me believe it.
I don't have to do that, bitch. And the next thing I want to tell you again, go and you're in America. America, a land of opportunity, right?
True.
Go to school. Go back to school. It's either you go back to school because you're never too old to learn.
True.
Or you get a dictionary every time you take a waste on the internet.
Not do that. Don't do that. Don't send the lady go embarrass herself. Or if you send the woman go to school and I send her if you go take up dictionary. You have to have knowledge and some common sense. Where you go take up dictionary now? Where you go search the meaning of? Or you go know the word where you look for? Or you go when you find the word and see the meaning, or you go read it if you understand it. You cannot send the woman go look for dictionary. Better you tell the woman to use the easier way out, which she still have to know what she do, which is Google. But better you tell the lady, say, try pronounce word properly. So when you go to Google, you say, Google, tell me where is Lorraine Falls Teeth. Google don't say, Lorraine Falls, you know, it'll tell you about the false teeth. Because it's where you put in a computer, you know, it's where you get out. So if you put in garbage in the computer, a garbage you go get out. And remember, the phone is like a computer now. You understand? So if you go and as me say, Google, tell me where is Lorraine Falls Teeth, and you don't say it in the proper way, asking for Lorraine Falls Teeth, Google will tell you something different. So better you say now go try Google, because it will be more easier for her to try and pronounce the word properly. And at the same time, she can say 3, 4, 5 different times on Google to see if she get the correct thing. But then again, if you still not have no knowledge and nice common sense, you don't even know which one of the answer is the right one. So you might run with anything. So better you leave out that part than tell her to go and go try school where she can get some physical training and teaching of doing things. Alright? Yeah. But don't mislead the lady and tell her about dictionary. You want to do my go embarrass herself? No.
You go.
Remember dictionary you have to read, you know?
Educate yourself. And some words that you don't know. It never been too late. Right? Or you go and buy a polydent or a polygrip and make your fast teeth stay good in the iron teeth you have in your mouth stay good. Yes, before you come out here, you can't tell no lie for me. I don't like a liar. It best you talk what me say. Right? And me that say, yes, me say that fit you. You tell me some of your personal business. That not, I don't tell you my business. I know who you are from 2019. From when you with Harry and the whole and 360 and the whole out no tumble down and me know you. Right? You go on like you come from internet and go on like say you want vice record people, and then when they not do what you say they should do, you come throw it out or you use it against them. Bitch, you can't use nothing against me. You can't control me. You need to go and that you need to do. You need to go. Everybody come on the internet and say the same thing about you. And a lie people I tell. See Kingston 13 just rub out your nasty clot and dare you and bet you. You come play no memories again. Right? And Kingston 13 have a gift for you. Kingston 13 have a gift for you. Don't come out here and come tell no lie for me. Right? But you know, so me 13. Come here, 13. Come here. 13. What kind of gift you have for Lorraine? It's a new fast teeth. Because me no know no holiday the near. Me no know no more holiday the near in a 13. Our birthday coming soon. No, I wait down in her ear. I think me ear she say she born. So what kind of gift you have for Lorraine? I can't Easter bun because the next holiday that you can't give people Easter bun for holiday. Now, sir, 13. Oh, you make the woman know say you have gift and you not tell me. 13, I say you stay. You never
say state 13. You have gift for Lorena, you not tell me. It's a new false state. Alright. We'll find out soon.
Clash behind the scene already. Because you want to bully me and come tell me to tell lie upon people. You know that. Right? And me have the voice note them when me send you. And you know so me and you clash up on the internet. You know that. Cause me have everything. Right? And me run you away like a dog. Me run you away like a dog. And you know that cause me have them. Right? Because you want me come out here and tell lie and then you want to come bully me and I can't tell you. And
so ma'am, come here, ma'am. Ma'am, come here. How long you have been a member of the Tell Lie Camp? Make I ask you a question. This is a very valid question based on how you are reasoning and attack yourself. How long you have been a member of the Tell Lie Camp, ma'am? Me not hear you. Alright, leave it in my comment section. But me I go read your lips and feel like tell myself say me hear you then. Alright. I don't think you're a member of the Tell Lie Camp recently or just a short period of time. Based on the amount of things you have been talking here, you have been a part of the Tell Lie Camp for a very long while. So when lady you find out said she a liar, or when you find out say she a liar, remember no, you know, it is not hard as a member to find out that Lorraine is a liar, you know. It is not hard. You know the reason why it's not hard for one to find out that Lorraine is a liar? Remember, she grew up on reverse. You understand? Yes, man, she grew up, telling her what to say. And when the right part, like just as you say short of $81,000. When you check it up, because I never know someone was accountants, when a social media accountants, I never know. Anyway, when I said the student money, the chart at 81,000, when you tell her, she tell you, say, no, don't say 81,000, because she want you to say more than 81,000. And this is how it has been from day one. So, you make it seem like he's just a member of Lorraine Camp last week or last month or the last part of last year. He's a member long time. So when you find out, ma'am, tell me, when you find out, say, so, Lorraine a liar, the whole barrel of no a liar, no better barrel, no better herring, no different. But we just like to expose, you know. That's why we are playing, you know. Because we want the world to hear, you know. And all who not follow, you know, them can get the chance to hear, you know, feel laugh off of, you know, because them over here and me people them not straight. And me will jump all of the fence make Maka joke me. Me will make all rusty nail joke me. Just to carry it come make me people them hear where I go on and see how no deal with no one another. Because necessity work. Necessity, it does work. If me never believe in a necessity, me believe in it for the past 5-6 months.
turn back with you. Or no pussy turn back with you.
Jesus, peace, and a Christian woman again, man.
Bitch, what that have to do with you? What that have to do with you if me talk to cartoon in private? It have nothing to do with you. I'm in a chat to cartoon in private neither. And when me a cartoon mouth and Lego with some story, me say, why? Me take for myself. Because me no like. But then now me stand up in a cartoon shoes and know what it feel like. That's why they say if you don't stand up in people's shoes, you don't know what it feel like. Now me stand up in a cartoon shoes and know what it definitely feel like. When you send out the Slappy Joe cake them, the Slappy Joe black cake them, you full up a brownie and then wetty like, you know, like a play dough. And me call you and tell you, say if you put the cherry them on top of you and this is what you're supposed to do.
And the same cake where probably all you did a tell, where she come and say, oh no, say nice, and it eat good goodie, me love the cake goodie. So wait, a hypocrite them. Is a set a hypocrite, the whole lot no a hypocrite. Because probably you one of them did a tell her say it tastes good too. But now no fall out because the woman come and boast, you know. Our people them say she will take up baking full time and she a consider to do it next year, you know. Because she can bake, you know. But people, yeah, some people can cook 1 pound of rice, you know. But make them ever try 2 pounds. You know, eat rice, or drink rice. All you need is a tin of milk or a little sugar. It's sweet, no that. So yes, she might can bake one little 5 cake or one 6, 7 cake car. She can mix up that the batter the easy. But when it come on to the bulk of cake, she not can probably manage that. You understand? And you can mix 5 cake in a batter if you are going to have a big market. So it not going to work for you. So all you talk about people, I tell you about take up baking full time. As me just say, you have some people can cook a pound of rice. But make them try cook 2 pounds. You have to drink that it can't eat. That's a real rice porridge.
Why you never the voice record that bitch? Go clean out your dirty house, Lorraine. Clean out your dirty house.
You
Your
have a
man
visit
come
there?
home and tell you, say, go wash the dishes them.
Oh.
Right? I
As
go
Steve
clean
make
out
you
the
know,
basement
okay.
and the back room. And that you figure clean out. You can't talk about me good, nice husband. Because you see, your territory in a turmoil. You want to come put mine in a turmoil? Is that what you're trying? It will never happen, baby. It not going to happen. You understand? My territory now going to be in a turmoil. Right? You know what you do. You know what you're doing. You look a dirty drunk or you. Because you can't get me to come tell lie on people that can't talk about you. And the little dirty bab where have his wife up there. Where my beat his wife and his wife lose it. He tell him, say, don't stop with me. Don't stop with me, but me boss.
Friends like these who need enemies. Who need enemies? Friends like these. Me say who need enemy? No sir. I saw when friend jump off them talk everything with them know. That's why me want to know every day, you know. You can't say speak me mind no want to know, you know. Certain thing when you keep that personal. Don't talk about she have me back and him have me back. Cause as you turn your side, as you turn your side, them not have your back no more. Them spill everything out of them gut. And then I have no bad stomach. Be careful. Watch your friends, what you keep. Watch your friends, what you keep. Watch your friends. Some of them are liars, some are thief.
Don't tap with me. Right? That's why one time, don't come talk about if you don't naturally love me. If you don't naturally love me, yes, I'm a grind, man. Eh? The spirit take you. I mean like you. You understand? My spirit goes, when the spirit take it, when the spirit take you and like you, me say, I like you. You understand? But you don't cherish that because you don't get many people to tell you, you don't get many people to say it. You don't have to forget to pick the say, Mommy, I love you know. But when you don't get a dead stranger from nowhere come out and say, my spirit really take you. Me not tell you me love you. But my spirit really take you, but me I go and watch you.
So what about Lorraine now, your spirit take Lorraine? Tell me the honest truth, lady. Come here. What about Lorraine, your spirit take her? Your spirit not take Lorraine, man. Your spirit not take Lorraine. You is just one of them who is a hater of the lady of 2-9. And you just take the opportunity to join the bagwagon and come out here against the lady of 2-9. Yes, man. And you want me to tell you how me know that? Me not gonna play that part of the video, the people. A part of the video further down where somebody in the comment and say the 2-9 lady are mother. And how she address the woman or the person whosoever text in the comment. Make me know say no spirit no take Lorraine. She just one of them will join the bandwagon to tear down 99. And then she go at the end of it I go say, oh, you not distract me come out here for Lorraine. You not distract me after you done say what you say. I'm not going to play that part of the video, people. But I want to make you know. No spirit no take. You understand? It's just that should take the opportunity, side over there, because that's what the one of them do. To try to tear down the 2-9 off of the wall. You understand? Because them not like how it pretty on the wall. 2-9, 99.
And so you
Not
can't receive
18,
yourself like the same thing you do
99.
everybody on the internet. Right? You do everybody stuff on the internet. Right? And so you do people, you recruit people on your platform. TikTok about gully rat and tell people lie. When she do something.
You hear what she does say? And so she recruit people on her platform to talk about Gully Rat. She was a member of the platform. So remember now, you got see bottom, or you dash see top, and shark come from the bottom. You will get ready to go down there. And tell us a monster down there, you try to believe that a down there might come from. So whether so it go or not so it go. You better believe that. You understand? She is a recruit. And all of what she has said is what she experienced over there. You understand? Yes, man.
Well, yes, we have to talk about it, but me not going to tell no lie. Me talk when me see. It's what me see me talk. So don't come talk about nothing, and everybody have them bad side and them good side. But God, you must reveal them, God. God, you must reveal them. You must reveal them, God. Me know from when you carry belly for me. From when me not go want chat like on the woman platform. And when landlord come out, when landlord come out with a high grade story. And me say high grade are all dirty thief too. This time high grade take thief so my money cause you a thief too. You beat down corruption
That's
and you
another
corruption,
member.
you a thief. Because when the woman did send cartoon money come, you take it away and make up false receipt. That's why people have to watch their receipt that they put out. Because you will make receipt, you have people that make receipt for you.
You serious? So she a criminal too? Okay. And because she a criminal, she feel like everybody a criminal. Oh. You never see smoke without fire, you know, because if the fire even out, you still go and see some smoke. And if you push your hand in that smoke, it go and burn you. And the smoke burn you. You understand? And the ashes burn you, fire still in the ashes. So anyway you see smoke, fire dead. No, fire never did dead. Fire still dead. Fire see smoke. When you don't see no smoke, fire out. Hold on there. Put my Pepsi in the fridge, people, and it's solid like a rock. Beer gas that, you know, people. Hold on there. Me a minute. Then I use the cup acid, clear the throat, you know. Why my people through the Pepsi, it freeze till it's solid. You can't pull it. Come like you will like to and dash way.
A drunk for you. And when you all dirty now, Michelle did come for me. Let me go no it now in a one. Cause me straight like that. Me
Hold on. But this a woman that coming like a chopper. High grade. Cartoon. As so much near you call. The Noah. Michelle. The no Michelle. So wait there. I will take it out. No sir. No sir. Hey.
straight shooter. When dirty now, Michelle did come for me. And I can't cuss me about producer this and producer that. And I talk about only 2 words she know. But uneducated and go sit your illiterate ass down. Go sit your no woman and a broke buckle bitch. And that you figure do. You know, sister Michelle, take a lick your type platform. You know, see. I'm about to no go on vacation together. Go on which vacation together? I want to can't fool out here. I want to can't fool out here. Stop got the fucking people them yard. When you got the people them yard. When you got the people them yard to take care of the patient. Stop thief out them snack. And stop winding up on the people them table. You coming like a carlo dog. You don't know nobody, you man jump. Every Sunday man used to beat you. Don't come out here, come stop with me. You're man drum. Every Sunday, man used to beat you at Jamaica. No man can put their hand on me. None. And I've never had a man put their hand on.
So hello lady. This is something that you want to discuss offline. Eh? This is like when the clothes dry and come off the line. Or not discuss it offline. Because I don't think we're going to discuss these things online. Because I would have known. So basically, probably want to sit down when you have on a round table talk offline still. Because I don't know. So on a 3, we are 4, we are 5, we are group, we are WhatsApp, we are went down already. So probably have that. So I don't even know what you say about that part there. Let me know say, you know, she was like I get a bicycle in a Jamaica. Down a Waterhouse, West Bay Farm Road to be exact, you know. St. Lucia Road, Trinidad Road, Barbados Road, Antigua Road, because the whole of the name of the road then down the name of the Caribbean, you know. Down a Waterhouse. Yeah man. Antigua Road, Trinidad Road, you have Barbados Road, St. Lucia. Yes man. So that part them I don't really know about the no, but me know say she have to Lego this something. You know, like when you park your bicycle and then bigger boy take it and ride it while you can't say nothing. Yes, man, get a bicycle. You know, every man come ride Ghana shop. Yes, man.
Me yet. Never. Y'all dirty man drum, you know nobody. Y'all you did that. Let me not go there so yeah. Let me not go there so. So anytime when you come out here and not put on no dirty laundry and no dirty business and no dirty kitchen sink and no dirty house and no dirty mouth. And people see it and talk. People see it and talk. When you feel say people tell them it's what we see out here. If we don't see nothing, we can't talk nothing. It's a make-up story, but I want me see. Go clean out your room. Right? Go and clean out your room. And that you fi do. As soon as people have anything, you know, just come out here and come like you don't want to show people family out here because you don't have them picture because guess what people they come into you know, like you know, I mean, they come into you know, like it's not anything. But when you take a stock, you don't have big motives behind it. You're dirty drunk or you unless you're to 13.
Why?
Unless you're to 13.
Why?
You can't talk about God, beat them. Pay attention to your STD where you go catch. All dirty drunk crow.
Hold on. Hold on. So all them say. So all them say as she give Babisha. I know you say where she go catch. So a Babisha give her. That is what you're saying here? No sir, me don't understand that part here. This STD here. This is not the Central Tower Department. People, don't take it wrong. STD don't mean Central Tower Department. And if you don't know what it means, me not tell you no. Because from me I grow me I hear that they word the STD. I mean no no Central Tower Department. But the thing that confuse me also. Me hear them say Ashigi Babisha. But now this a woman here talk like she know where I go on. Because she say she catch it. No sir, me more feel like Ashigi Babisha. Me don't feel like a Babisha give she. Because Babisha would have passed that on to wife a long time. It so be the case. Despite Babisha kind of shaky, you know. Yes, man. But I don't think Babisha look like the person where, you know, the doctor insert the needle. Yes. Yes. I feel like, I know him insert the needle. You know? Yes, man. I feel like, you know, take the needle. Take the needle. Take him good. Him take the needle.
You
Yes.
can't talk about. And Baba alone for respect you. Baba alone for respect you because I am Baba cock up. You and Baba cock up, so him alone for respect you. And him supposed to hold your loyalty. If you don't make Mr. Brown know. Or them drunk or you come. You think everybody you meet some nice good people in your life, but you don't know how to keep them. And that you need to go do. You're sick in your head. And go pronounce your words properly before you come stop with me. You should have lucky for me throat hurt me like me I sneeze all day yesterday. You should have lucky. I mean also when me done you know beer hurt it go hurt, but me just lend you one part of my tongue, you see, you're dirty Maxine, I same thing. It won't I same thing, no better herring, no better barrel. You and bad plan to go, you talk about you got curious, so I got turn on your life. I got this, I got that. 13, Kingston 13 Kingston 13 for meet you down there. Because you go like you're a bad girl. You go like you're a bad girl. Come out, you can't tell the people them why your teeth them lick out of your head.
We
And I
know
rat
that.
your teeth
We
and rattle.
know that.
I lick
We
you get in
know.
your
Yes,
mouth.
we know
Because
that.
you chat too much and
We
tell too much
know
lie.
that. That not new.
Lie.
That not new. Come with something where we don't know. But that way you want to say it not new. Every day she come in at the same old shoe. That not new. Come with something when you... We know this lady. Come on, tell us some things more what we don't know about. We know that. Me can't tell you about that. What house she come from an Olympic, me live. What house Larry come from an water. Remember that. What house she come from an Olympic, me live. Used to run bus and taxi, so me know a whole heap of...
Hey, speak truth, man. Come on. Speak truth is a big woman. Nobody can beat you. What you say, you say. What you say, you say. You come out, you embarrass you. Look here, embarrass you. You can't talk on your life this morning, but you're not even embarrassed. But embarrassed. You know, who the bumbo clot you can embarrass?
People may just cut out the part with the 99 name I call this up. But, you know, there are terms that we use regularly, most of us. But there's an additional term, part of me add to that terms. And don't come out here and say the same thing as much as all these people say it. The terms always say been there and done that. Because she claims say 99 can't have nothing for mother and Ray she been there and done that. And the next part of me I listen for me not hear it. You know, at the old time saying she depend old time saying been there and done that. You have been there, done that and still have that. You can't been there, done that and don't have that. And I go talk about somebody who have that. Where you have been and where you have done, you're supposed to still have it. So if you don't have it, you in no class of the person whether them just a get for them one or not. The point is them have for them one. Your one done. And you forgotten about been there, done that. You don't love use that terms that been there, done that and now have nothing.
You know, you can't distract me. You can't distract me. Lord, me they know. Big old dirty nasty cracker teeth, iron teeth, and them me they know. Don't come out here can't tell no lie, friggin' lie, I'm you too damn out order. You're the devil. You're going like say. Me not fi tell nobody say fi share or whatever, cause me do this for rub on us. You don't know any name. Ultimate Robbins. Over years on name Ultimate Robbins. Yes, when you not fast with me. Cause me don't know when if me name on a white fall out, you don't want to come mix me up in a no dirty bong. No, producer name clean, she slate clean. Right? You can't get no peace of mind because you is wicked. You is wicked and you want to get you want validation from people. You want people to say you do this and you do that. How comes me not hear you take up landlord case again and landlord buy 2 car? How come me not hear you take up in case? Give a shit where you no want chat say. I don't give a shit where you no want talk say. Right? The platform holder know that she did not run me. It's me who walk away.
How long did it take you to walk away? As simple that me ask for in that video, you know. How long did it take you to walk away? Since the hot water turn over and catch a chicken toe and it starts strip. I saw you walk away. You should even walk in. Because as me said before, you walk in, you exactly know who them is. And after in there for a few days, weeks, you even get more evidence who them is. So you should even walk in to come and talk about your left long time.
Who walk away. Yes, I who walk away. That's how me is. Me walk away from anytime me see nothing now good, me just walk away.
After being a long-standing member, no sir. You know what things you do there, so? When you walk away, the amount of damage you already do to a lot of people character. So you walking away.
Me no want
No
nobody
make
to
no
watch
sense.
me. All dirty Lorraine, me no want nobody to watch me. If you no know we over here so name, over here name the ultimate Robbins. Me rub out on no cloth when you come out you can't trouble me. Cause I found what day I me see you want to mix me. You want to mix me up.
People
You
me
want to
still
mix
don't
me up
know
from
who this,
other
you know,
day.
honestly,
And me
no.
at one
Still
you
don't
behind the
know.
scene and I tell you, say, don't come talk, don't come tell me what to talk. I don't like it. Don't do it.
Because based on the way I go on, I know she name high grade. And I have heard Festive Vice a few times. As you see me recently do a video with Festive. And this Vice don't sound like her. I mean I know, but that's what I say. So me still not really know who this. But you know, as me say, we have to show them up. As them hatch against them one another, me they have to carry it from me get it. I mean know 70% of uno or 60% of uno not going over there or anywhere more than a few little channels. Me and one of them if you find certain little things. And then you know say certain things where our next person might carry, me might not carry it. And probably all the person carry it, me carry it different. Because me might pick certain things from the videos where the next person now go carry unless probably they might play the old video. You know? So I don't know me kinda do my thing different. So me have to carry it come make on see. You understand? I sit down on a chair. El Planka Nation, One Nation, laugh off of them and sing the song, Don't You Trouble Zion. Yes, man.
I don't like it.
Reveal them.
Right?
Father
So
God,
don't come
reveal
talk about,
them.
don't come face to yourself and stop with me.
One by one, you not get revealed, man.
People, my throat hurt me right now.
And each time when you get revealed, you go against one another. And I like so when you get revealed, not going again.
No.
One another, you
No.
go at
Lord,
each
let me tell
time.
you who you figure answer. Me see you come out here and you can't answer Festive. You cannot answer
See, so
Festive when
this are not
Festive
festive
did come
neither.
on
But me just
Cartoon
don't know
Live and
who
come say,
this. You don't tell me who
you
this in
pull
the
her
comment
away
if you
and
don't
tell
know.
her something.
Me no know.
You can't come out here and answer Festive. Why you had for me?
Sure, no, it's not cartoon. And based on me here, say it's not festive. It's not high grade. So, you tell me who in the comment. Me no know who. You tell me no know.
Why you had for me? Eh? And
All me can tell you no is an ex-member of the Tell Like Camp. An ex-member of the Tell Like Camp. Basically, she says she a ex now. She was a present, but now she a ex. Wrong bang.
don't ask me what if me talk to Cartoon in private. And none of your business. Anytime me I talk to no platform holder out here, I don't know, I know for the next one business. Right? Because me not go say where the next one say, because first of all, we not talk like that. We maybe a talk about the live or whatever. And set your dirty, nasty, stinking, whoring bitch them for me. And that you want to do. When you come out from my life, she fall, drunk, all a lorry and dirty, nasty minions them me attack. Me not talk good people. Me attack all a dirty lorry and nasty. Anytime they cuss me, I come out, come cuss out your ass, just like how when they do with Dana. Anytime that 99, the planker then used to cuss you come out, come rub Dana, so me I do your back. Right, that's all. How she can answer Angela. And little stinking pussy.
Anyway, people, speak my mind family. That's how me done it. Me not gonna further. Oh, no hope YouTube no hold on this video, yeah. Because if YouTube hold on this video, I'm not going to get no video for Monday. You understand? Because me now wake up early if you do no video. You understand? Anyway, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. Please, I am begging you to also watch the ads. Watch the ads. Alright? And remember, continue to support both of my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button now. And if you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, which is my backup channel, very refreshing channel over there. You get a mixture thing over there. I have a nice video to drop tomorrow. Drama video. A long time I don't drop a little drama video. You know? Man a defend him woman to the bone, man. The man say, all when the woman tell him say she just do go. Him not believe. Him have to see. So me I say, Lord, that's so much faith you have in your woman. Anyway, the video is coming soon. Bar wanna sleep in a bar. Yes, man. I remember Kitty. Yes, man. My Dana did meet when she got look for Kwame in a Bay Farm Villa. Yes, man. It's just a few minutes away from me, Kitty living. Yeah, man. I'm living at the scheme, but me live out of the scheme. This a little distant away. So me say Kitty come by pier. And me take a little shot. Kitty was so busy like he hungry. So he never have much time to spend with me. So him just a move and a talk. So him also in the video with one long piece in a hair on here. So nearly 1 year now me see him walk with that the year there I drop on the ground. The man piece. I don't know him love piece of clothes and him start piece no here now. So wanna stay tuned for the video. So go subscribe over the Life is a Mission TV if you know want to see Kitty and I'm tight up. Alright? And remember the young entrepreneur college student. Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube. Link in my comment section pin. Give her a subscription. Remember Tamika Davis also actually a family member. Our link is in my community. We are repost our page. If you click the title, you see the link come up. You just click the link. Easy for you to subscribe. It now costs $1. And you ask for it, you get it. The cash app pin in the comment section. And I already explained why I don't see the mountain give back video as yet. Because I am giving the teachers by now on Wednesday to get me 2 students. If not, I'm going to move on to somebody else, and which is somebody who I have in mind. When I contacted her over the weekend, she said her son is back in the hospital. So I don't even know if she is going to even be the next person, or I have to just move on and get somebody else again until, and then probably have those 2 set of person for the coming month, the student and probably she. So let's see what work. Bless up. Happy Monday, as me said. New work week. All who nigga right is a pressure. You just sweat it out. Get busy upon the work. And work out the whole part food you want to eat. Alright? Blessings. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.